This charming lake cottage offers a perfect year-round retreat with 65 feet of lakefront property. Fully furnished, the downstairs features a spacious living room with picturesque views of the lake with new sliding glass door that goes out to a covered lakeside porch with a composite decking, a yard for games and campfire and dock for U-boat or kayak. The dining room also overlooks the lake and has a laundry area. This area could be converted into a third bedroom if desired. The second floor of the cottage has a primary bedroom with a view of the lake. The second bedroom is equipped with a half bath, a detached oversized 2-car garage with space for a boat and a 10 by 26 foot workshop. The garage's upstairs area has the potential for expansion into a 2-bedroom apartment, offering versatility and additional living space. The owners have totally remodeled this home in the last 3 years with new metal roof, insulated vinyl siding, new kitchen, first floor bathroom, wiring, floors, covered porch, 1/5 bath on second floor, some windows and new dock. Located near